Good morning, students. So once again we come back to that is the trigonometric function. In previous video we have discussed about the trigonometric functions of some standard angle, for example 0 degree, so 30 degree and also 45 degree. So we have completed a 60 degree also there. So let me come to that is another some standard angles, for example 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. So for that, so angle what we are getting, that is the trigonometric function we are going to discuss. So let me start, that is the if theta is equal to, for a right angle triangle, if theta is equal to 90 degree, so 90 degree means, so that is equal to pi by 2 radian, pi by 2 radian already. So let me consider the circle. Let me consider the circle whose center is at the origin. Whose center is at the origin. Suppose our point P lies on this x-axis, y-axis. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ 90 degree ಮಾಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ. It makes an angle 90. Then the coordinates of this point, ಈ distance ಏನಂತೇವಿ y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ, that is equal to radius of the circle. So then the coordinates of the point P which lies on the y-axis, y-axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0, y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0, y. So for this angle, that is we have already defined the trigonometric function in terms of the coordinates of the point. So sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ y by r, cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by r, tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ y by x, cot theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by y, sec theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ r by x, cosec theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ r by y. So we have already defined that is the trigonometric function in terms of the coordinates of the points, the point which makes an angle at the center. For that reference we have defined. So for a sine of an 90 degree, sine of an angle we know that is 90 degree. Sine 90 is equal to, so sine of an angle we know the definition. ಈ 90 degree ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ coordinates ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, x is equal to 0 ಆಗವೆ, y is equal to r, y equal to r. So that is x equal to 0 and y becomes equal to the radius of the circle or distance from the origin to the point. So sine of an angle, so angle may be anything. So that for that we know that definition, that is y by r. Y. For the 90 degree, what is the value of y we got here? Namu y value ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, 90 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to r by r. R by r ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So that is a sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1. Next ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, cos 90. Cos 90 degree. Cos of an angle definition ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. Cos of an angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by r. That is equal to x by r. So what is the value of x for the 90 degree? We got already, that is x coordinate. Yes, it is 0. 0 by any number is 0. Already we know that. So next, tan 90. Tan 90. Tan of an angle we know that. Tan of an angle is y by x. Y by x. What is the value of y? That is r. R by x value is 0. Any number by 0 is undefined. It can be undefined, or we call it as an infinite. So next we come to that is a cot 90. Cot 90 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x by y. X by y. So cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 0. 0 by r. 0 by any number is 0. We have already known that. So next sec 90 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Sec 90 is equal to, sec of an angle the definition ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗೆ r by x. R by x. R by x the value ಏನು for these 90 angle 90 degree, x the value ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0. So any number by 0 is infinite, undefined. ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec 90 is undefined, tan 90 is undefined, cot 90 is 0. Next cosec equal to 1. R by R is equal to 1. So we got all the trigonometric function for the angle 90 degree with the use of the definition of the trigonometric function in terms of the coordinates of the points. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿತ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 180, 270, 360. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what we have to discuss after this. So that is very important. So we have to study about the allied angles, and next after allied angles we have to discuss about the compound angles. So before that we have to discuss about the signs of the trigonometric function. Sign ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ so quadrant ಮೇಲೆ signs ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಅದರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So let me start with the if theta is equal to another angle, theta is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means so that is a pi radian. 180 degree and ಎಷ್ಟು pi radian. ಈಗ so let me take that is the coordinate system and we consider the circle. One circle consider ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, and our point P is here with the coordinates P ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So we got the P. So which side it is? Left side. Here the x is negative. X ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Y ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? minus x comma 0. minus x comma 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ that R is equal to R ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. R equal to minus x or x equal to. So from this angle ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಈ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದವು ಅಷ್ಟ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ? ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾದವು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಕಂಡು. So E angle E coordinates of the point the coordinates ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So here we got that is y is 0. Y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next so that is x is equal to minus r. x minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x coordinate ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ r x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus r. x equal to minus r, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it is a radius of the circle, that is r, that is equal to the minus r. Why? Because the coordinates of the point which we measure here negatives ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ minus r. x equal to we got this result for an angle of 180 degree. 180 degree ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕುರಿ? ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ p ಇದ್ದು y is equal to 0 ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ, x equal to minus r. Then we can easily define the sine of an angle. Sine 180 degree is equal to sine of an angle. Sine is the definition ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ರಿ? y by r. So y by r. So y value ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? 0 by. So x value ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? minus r. That is equal to 0. 0 by any number is 0. We know that. So next cos 180 degree ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos 180 degree is equal to cos 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x by r. So x equal to ಏನೈತಿ? minus r divided by minus r get cancel, ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? 1. So that is minus 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, cos 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? minus 1. cos 180 is minus 1. Similarly we come to that is the cos 180 ಐತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದ್ರಿ? cos. So that is a tan 180 degree. tan 180 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? tan is defined as a y by x. So tan 180 y is 0 ಐತಿ, divided by x ಏನೈತಿ? minus r. 0 by any number is 0, means tan 180 is 0. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ cot 180 degree is equal to ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x by y definition. So cot of an angle is x by y. For these 180, what about x and y? That we have to substitute. So ಸುಮಾರು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ minus y ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Any number by 0 is undefined and it is minus infinity nu anteve. So cot 180 degree is minus infinity. Next sec 180 degree. So you ಏನದವಲ್ರಿ ಇವು ಬಾರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆದವ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ when we are plotting the graph at that time, so these will help us to plot the graph also. Graph very important. Graph ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಇವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇವು trigonometric function of a standard angle, what we are getting the values. If you remember that, we can easily draw the graph. So sec of an angle is sec of an angle is r by x. R x that is minus r is equal to minus 1 agutadre r get cancel minus 1. So next we come to that is the cosec, that is cosec 180 degree. So is equal to cosec 180 degree andre that is r by y. Y value is 0. R by any number by 0 is undefined, that is undefined. So nodri sin 180 andre 0, cos 180 andre minus 1, tan 180 andre 0, cot 180 andre minus infinity, sec 180 andre minus 1, cosec 180 andre infinity. So if you know all these trigonometric functions, so that is the value of the trigonometric function for these angles. So that is 0, minus 1, 0, minus infinity, minus 1, infinite. So next which angle is left? Still two angles are left. So that is one is 270 and another one is 360. If theta is equal to 270 degree, it is equal to 3 pi by 2 radian, 3 pi by 2. Where it comes? So it comes that is, so 270 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y axis ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ x 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus y, so that is equal to minus. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, r ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ x 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y axis ಮೇಲೆ. then y is equal to ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ r, that is minus r. So for the 270 we got this condition for that angle, that is the coordinates of that point. We got that is x equal to 0 and y is equal to minus r. Okay, so then we can easily find out the trigonometric function, that is the sin 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ sin of an angle ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ y by r. ಹೌದ್ರಿ y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ minus r divided by r get cancel, ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ minus 1. next cos 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? so cos 270 degree is equal to cos of an angle, the definition ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. cos of an angle ಏನ್ರಿ x by r. so what is the value of x? 0 by any number is 0 by any number is 0. next we come to that is a tan 270 is equal equal to, so ಏನ್ರಿ definition y by x, so y ಏನೈತ್ರಿ minus r, x ಏನೈತ್ರಿ that is 0, so that is minus infinity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so that is 217 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus infinity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next we come to that is the 270 infinity cot 270 is equal to, definition ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x by y, so x is equal to, x value ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, x value 0, y value minus r, so 0 by any number is 0. Next sec 270 degree, sec 270 degree, sec the value ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, so that is r by x, so r itself x is equal to 0, so r by any number, so that is sec 270 is r by 0, r by 0 is undefined, that is infinity. Next we move to that is the sec 270, cosec 270 degree is equal to, so r by y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, r by y ಏನೈತಿ value ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ರಿ for that angle, that is minus r get cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ minus, cosec 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ minus 1, cosec 270 sec 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ infinity, cot 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, tan 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus infinity, cosec 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, so sin 270 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1. So next the final result we have to come to here. If the angle rotated completely and comes here, and the point lies here, that is p is equal to, so ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ 360 degree ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, so it will becomes the 360 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will become the r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so that is x, 0, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, for that angle what we are getting, that is the x equal to r with y is equal to 0, y 0, for the 360 we got the coordinates like this, so let me define that is for an angle, for an angle 360 degree, if theta is equal to 360 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 2 pi ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಈ 360 ಗೆ coordinates of point ಏನಂದ್ರೆ x, 0, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ radius of the circle or distance from the origin to the point ಅಂದ್ರೆ that x equal to r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 0, ಯಾಕೆ y 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, the point lies on x axis ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ y 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So sin of an angle ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, sin of an angle ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, sin of an angle is y by r, so y value ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 0 by r is 0 by any number is 0, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, sin 360 0, cos 360 is x by r, so that is r by r, that is equal to 1, r by r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, r by r, that is 1. Next tan 360 is equal to y by x, so that is y is 0 by any number is 0, so that is x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ r, 0 by r, that is 0. Next cot 360 degree is equal to x by y, so x ಅಂದ್ರೆ r, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, r by any number by 0, that is undefined infinite, we indicate like this, Next, the last one is that is a sec 360 degree. Sec 360 degree. Sec 360 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? So sec 360 degree is equal to r by x. So r x ಏನೈತಿ r cancel ಏನು ಬಂತ್ರಿ 1 ಬಂತ್ರಿ. So that is cosec 360 degree is equal to cosec the definition is r by y. So that is r by y is 0. Any number by 0 is undefined. So this is for all the trigonometric function for a standard angle we have discussed. So let me frame the table for that. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Within your hand only you can calculate that is the all trigonometric function for up to 90 degree. For up to 90 degree. For 90 degree you can easily remember in your hand only. So that skill will give you when we are preparing the table for the trigonometric function of an angles. So first we will state here all trigonometric function. So we'll start here. Trigonometric functions and angles. So here we will make the table first. We'll make the table. So like this table we'll make. So here we'll write the angle. So for theta 0 degree, 30 degree, which is also called, I'll write that is 30 degree, pi by 6 radian measure, and also degree measure. So 45 degree, so pi by 4 radian. Next 60 degree, pi by 3 radian. Next 90 degree, pi by 2 radian. Next 27, so that is 180 degree, that is pi radian. Next 270 degree, so that is 3 pi by 2 radian. Next that is 360 degree, 2 pi radian. This much. So first we'll start with the sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec. Sorry, here I'll write that is a cot, sec, cosec. So all 6 trigonometric function we got. So first, so we'll clearly listen here how to calculate easily in your hand. We have already derived it. You put value ella derive ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ derive ಮಾಡಿ. So how we got that? So with the help of the triangle, so that is the circle, point, reference point. So that we got the all trigonometric function. So but here, so we can easily calculate that is up to right, that is the right angle 90 degree in our hand. First we have to name them. So this is on our hand, that is the left hand. So here we have to name the degrees for all these 5 fingers. So the thumb finger is 0 degree, 60 degree and it is a 90. Little finger is a 90 degree and thumb finger is a 0 degree. So 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. So here clear. So here we have one formula. We have to remember that. So that is the root divided by 2. So this we have to remember. So in place of the root we have to substitute that how many fingers are there on which side. So here this finger, this, so that is the left hand, we will divide into 2 parts. The thumb side, whatever the thumb side, this is this side. So this is the sine side. Idikkenantare sine. Little finger side idikkenantare cos side. 2 trigonometric functions we are getting simultaneously. So first we will start with the 0 degree. 0 degree means this. If you close this, how many fingers are left on thumb side? No fingers. No fingers means 0. So that is the root 0. Root 0 means 0. 0 by any number is 0. So that the sine 0 is 0. Similarly, on little finger side, ee kade little finger, idu 0. You ಏನಂತಾರೆ little finger ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದವೆ 4 fingers are left. So let me place. For this is cos side. ಇದು cos side, ಇದು sin side. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದವೆ sin. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದವೆ cos. So cos ಮತ್ತು sin simultaneous ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ್ವಿ 4 ಫಿಂಗರ್. So ಇದು cos 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, cos 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, cos 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 0 ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು cos 0 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಿ 4. root 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1. So that is cos 0 degree is 1. Next, which degree you want? That is the sin 30. So that is 30 degree. Next, so sin and cos. How many fingers are left on sin side? One day finger. Under root 1. Root 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So that is 1 by 2 we got. Next, how many fingers are left to the little finger? ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is the so cos side. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ cos side. Cos side ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದವೆ 3 ಫಿಂಗರ್. 1 2 3 ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಉಳಿದವೆ. So that is 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next, ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಿ? So that is the 45. So 45 ಏನದಾವೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 fingers. root 2. So root 2 ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? root 2 divided by 2 we can write that is 2 root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಉಳಿದ್ರಿ 1 by root 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇದೆ, root ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆಗಿದೆ, root 2 divided by 2 ಐತಿ. 2 ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೋದು? root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 cancel ಆಯ್ತು, ಉಳಿದದ್ದೇನು 1 by root 2 ನ ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ cos ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 by root 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದ್ರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇದು ರೀ, ಇದು ಏನ್ರಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೈನ್, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಉಳಿದವ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 3. ಸೊ root 3 by 2. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ cosec ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೈತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಉಳಿದೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 1 by 2. ಸೊ root 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ 4. ಸೊ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ root 4. root 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 by 2 that is equal to 1. ಇದು 1. ಇನ್ನು cos ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ 0, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚೆ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos ಸೈಡ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 0. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಸೊ cos ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಯಾವ ಫಿಂಗರ್ root 0 by any number that is 0. It is equal to 0. So ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. So ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ sin 180 that is 0. Sin 180 0. 270 minus 1 360 0. ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಇವು ಅಂತೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos 90 0. cos 180 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1. cos 270 0. So cos 360 that is 1. cos 360 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is the next tan tan sin by cos 0 by this 0 by this sin by 1 sin by 1 0 by any number 0 1 by root 2 divided 1 by root 3 1 3. So 1 ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 0 infinity 0 by minus 1 that is 0 minus 1 by 0 minus infinity. So 0 by 1 so that is 0. Similar. So cot reverse bari next cot again that is the reverse of this you have to write that. Nodri cot ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ so cot so 1 by 0 infinity cos next root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. next 1 by root 3 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so that is minus 1 by 0 minus 1 by 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus infinity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. next 0 by minus 1 0 1 by 0 plus infinity. Then you are coming to know that how we define cos by sin that is cos by sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos and this 1 by 0 that is infinite. ಹೌದ್ರಿ so next sec ಏನ್ರಿ sec ಏನೇನು 1 by so 1 by cos sec ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by cos cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by tan cosec ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by ಅಂದ್ರೆ reciprocal ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 1 that is 1. So that is 1 by this number is 2 by root 3. So 1 by this number is root 2. 1 by this number is 2. 1 by this infinity. Minus 1 by this is minus 1. 1 by this number is infinity. 1 by 1 is 1. So next cosec means 1 by sin. So 1 by this number. 1 by this number is infinity. 1 by this number is 2. 1 by this root 2. So this is 2 by root 3. So 1 by this number 1 by this infinity minus 1 by this minus 1. So that is 1 by 0 is infinity. So we have given all these 6 trigonometric functions for all the standard angles. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು 90 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. sin cos ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಆರಾಮ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. sin tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin by cos cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos by sin. ಸೊ ಇವು ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tan cos sec ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by cos cosec ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 1 by sin. So that remaining our trigonometric function we can easily find out. So this is a table for the trigonometric function for the angles. So you should remember this table and it is a very important table for you. So ಈ table ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and it is very so I have given